my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so I've got my tip stuck on, it's cut down and shaped. So I'm coming in with my nail prep and then coming in with the Ultra Bond Platinum. This just needs to go on the natural nail, so don't worry about taking it all the way down the tip. It takes a few moments for that to dry. It will always look wet, but it'll dry and it'll go really, really sticky. It's like double-sided sticky tape for the nail. It's brilliant stuff, this. So I'm going to be using the Blossom Core Powder today.
We haven't used this for so long on my nails.
Well, the last lot of filming we've been
doing a lot of fibre gels or just nail art.
Yeah. So it's nice to have my nose filled with the smell of monomer once again.
Such a lovely clean smell.
So I'm going to be doing a smile line with this. We all love a good smile line. So I typically do my smile lines in 2 beads, depending on which nail I'm working on. If I'm doing the pinky, then I'll go straight in with 1 bead. So keep the nail tilted down. Blend that bead to the natural nail just by patting it. There is a rogue piece of glitter in this. So we're just going to incorporate that into the design. I'm not faffing around getting that out. It'll probably file out, to be fair. I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty close to the top. So to be fair, it will more than likely file out. So how deep you do your smile lines is completely up to you. I'm always a big fan of a nice deep smile line.
Oh, I love a good smile line.
Yeah. So I'm going to press it in and then I pat on the top to flatten it out a little bit. And it's just going to help bring that nice 90-degree wall in. So while it's at this Play-Doh consistency, I can really work on making that edge really nice and crisp. It just helps that smile line stay nice and crisp when you start filing it. Sometimes I'll file between each bit, so I might do all of my nude, my nail bed, and then wait for that to set and file it. But sometimes if I'm happy with how my wall has come along, I won't necessarily file it. There we go. Right, happy with that. So now I can get the cuticle bead on. So place that up at the cuticle. Again, keep that nail tilted down. It's just going to stop it from flooding. Tap that bead into place, bring it around your side walls, blend that side, bring it around here, blend that side, and then we can feather that bead. See, that piece of glitter gone. It was nothing to worry about. Fabulous, darling. Okay, I'm just going to give that a second to set up. And I'm using B-Bombs, this ultra bright neon freaking orange. A bit bright, this one. I say that like it's a bad thing. It really isn't. Look at it! It's hella bright. So I'm going to work in smaller beads for this bit. So just a teeny bit on my brush. And I'm going to bring that up, take that right up into that corner.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Just fade that down. Most of this is going to get covered up. but we just want this as a bit of a background. So the same again on the other side. Take that up into that corner. And blend that down.
I love that
finally
colour.
get to use. I've not used this one before, and I finally get to use it. It is Jazzy's from Mr. Dave's Every Flavour Beans.
I've been eyeing this one up for ages.
Look. So I want this quite dense right on the tips. I'm really going to drain this bead out. I'm going to pop it straight on the tip and keep that as dense with the glitter as I can. But it's not thick. I don't know if you can see that. It's not thick, it's just dense with glitter because I've drained most of the liquid out. And then I'm just going to get small bits, and then I can not drain those as much, and then I can blend that up and just have it a little bit faded. So I still want to see that orange, but then we get a nice fade with the glitter. Right, so just give that a second to set up so that when I pop my clear acrylic on, it's not going to smoosh it all around. Yeah, that feels about ready. So I only need to cap the end of this because my apex is in. I'm happy with the smile line. So I'm just going to drop this on backwards and then work that down the nail. Make sure you get right in those gums. I'm really sorry if you can hear that banging. My neighbour has decided to do some DIY in his garden. I don't know what he's doing. I hope he's not knocking the fence down. I think he's getting payback actually, because I've spent the last, well, since Monday, hammering wood in my gardens. This might be a bit of revenge noise. I'll show that blue-haired lady who can make all the noise. Okay, so make sure that you don't, like I said, don't worry about this little bit of glitter that's strayed onto the top. It's so high up on the surface that it will file out. But make sure that you've got all of that capped, and then we'll give this a couple of minutes to set and get it filed up. Okay, we're all filed up, and I've had a quick buff as well. So ready to come in with our no wipe top coat. I am keeping this one glossy. Look at that glitter. It's so pretty. Have a good look at that. Okay, so pop that in the lamp for me. Okay, I want to edge this smile line with some extra pink sparkly sassiness. So I just want to pull out the pink in this glitter. I think it's really pretty. So I'm using dragon fruit, and I'm just going to draw a smile line on here. Just flip that over for me, please, Sam. So I always, whenever I'm doing my smile lines, I'll do half of it with my client's hand facing one way, and then I'll flip it over. Keep it there for me, Sam. So I'm going to make it quite thick on the lower part here, taking it up into nothing. And then what I'm going to do on this side is take it higher up and round. So I'm going to kind of bring it round. Let's make sure we're in the camera. I'm going to bring it up and round, round and onto the nail. Right, now let's even this up. Glasses. Why don't I put my glasses? There they are. Ah, the gift of sight. Okay, when you're happy with that, before it goes into the lamp, I've got some gorgeous sparkly pink glitter that's actually got a bit of an orange sheen to it as well. So I'm just going to tap some of that into it. That can go into the lamp, please, Sam. And we can dust that off, get rid of all that excess glitter. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
And I'm going to finish this off with coconut elixir oil, just a small drop on there, and give that a rub in. And there we go.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.